Welcome to IMW Club, your wealth buddy. In today's video, we are going to discuss interesting topic, how to choose the best mutual fund. Mutual funds are a preferred choice among investors because they offer attractive returns. The golden rules for mutual fund selection are as follows. Number 1. Investment objective. The first parameter you need to consider is your investment objective. What are you investing for? Is it for long-term growth, short-term gains? Knowing your investment objective is the first step in selecting a mutual fund that aligns with your investment goals. Few examples of financial goals can be child education, retirement saving, international holiday with family, buying a new home, buying a dream car. And it's better, creating dedicated portfolio for each goal, invest regularly. Number 2. Risk tolerance. The second parameter is to consider your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with high levels of risk for the potential of higher returns, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Understanding your risk tolerance will help you select a mutual fund that aligns with your investment goals and comfort level. Number 3. Performance history. The third parameter is the mutual fund's performance history. Look for mutual funds that have consistently performed well over time, especially in different market conditions. Keep in mind that past performance is not a guarantee of future results, but it can give you a good idea of how the fund has performed in the past. Number 4. Fees and expenses. The third parameter to consider is the mutual fund's fees and expenses. These can include management fees, operating expenses, and other charges. Look for mutual funds with lower fees and expenses, as these can have a big impact on your returns over time. Number 5. Underlying portfolio. Review underlying portfolio. Equity or debt or hybrid. For good start, select funds with right mix of equity and debt. Under equity, you select right mix of blue chip, dividend paying stock and mid cap fund. So there you have it, the top parameters to consider when choosing the best mutual fund for your portfolio. You can start with minimum amount as low as 500 rupees per month. Important is to be committed. Diversify investment in 2 or 3 funds. This will divide your risk into multiple buckets and protect your fund. Once you define goal and map funds for each goal, it's time for action. The golden rules for successful investment are as follows. Number 1. Systematic monthly investment. Number 2. Automate the investment. Number 3. Diversify the investment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. If you like video, then add comment, MF, it will motivate us. Also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.